Hi everyone! Today I'm at my Fixer Upper house. I'm about to take down these curtains and put up some cordless vinyl blinds. These are very affordable. It costs about $10 for this one and they're super easy to install. And I got them at Walmart. Everybody has a Walmart. First things first, ugly curtains coming off. Whoop. It was that easy. You can use a screwdriver, but to make things faster, I'm going to be using my drill. First thing I'm going to do is take my tape measure, my pink tape measure, and measure 4 inches from each side. Now I'm going to take the bracket that came in the box and put it up to my line. Make sure the bracket is flush with the wall, and then I'm going to drill a hole in each slot. If you don't feel comfortable drilling it straight in, you can mark it with a pencil. And then drill your holes. Now I'm going to screw the brackets in. Not all the way tight at first. Okay, now I'm going to tighten them. Now the other side. And it helps to have an impact drill. They work a lot better for this kind of stuff. Now all you have to do is snap it into the brackets. Just put it up there. I leaned it on the bottom and then snap it on the top. Now this side, and bam, it's done. It only took about 5 minutes. Now click the rod in. These blinds are pretty cool because you can just pull them up and down. Look at how easy that is. And close it. It looks pretty. For $10, you can't beat it. Yep, so when you want to go up, you just lift it. Stop it wherever you want. Lift, stop, lift, stop. It's that easy. And then you just pull it down again. I love these blinds. What looks better, this or this? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos.